What's going on, and today I'll show you how to read unsent messages on Messenger. And if you're new here and want to learn different types of smartphone tips, tricks and other related stuff, subscribe and turn on all notifications so you won't miss anything. So now let's get to the video. Okay, first thing, open your Messenger application and make sure that notifications are turned on. And if not, you'll see a blue notification on top of the app. Tap on it, then just turn on the switch that you'll see it in order to enable the app to display notifications. And also make sure that the person or the group that you want to read unsent messages are not muted, or in other words, you can receive notifications from those people or that person. And after doing that, install and open this application. After opening the app, just accept its policy, then grant the app the permission to access notifications. After doing that, go back to the application. Then select Messenger in order to save the detected changes on the notifications or to save the deleted messages. After doing that, tap on Next. Then here you'll be able to choose the option either to save the deleted files or do not save the deleted files. I recommend you press the yes to save the deleted files and just give it permission to access your storage. And by the way, the application is called What's Removed Plus, and it's available in the Play Store for free. Then again, just tap on accept. Then just tap on save without selecting any folder. After doing that, it will take you directly to its settings. But if you want to change anything, you can go ahead and change it. After doing so, go back to the application's home screen. And when you are in the application's home screen, you will see the first option here which says detected and the second which says messenger. So if anything is sent to you and then is deleted, you'll be able to see it in this application. Also, this app is able to save files like images, audio, videos, voice notes, and other types of files. And also, one more thing, if you want this application to function, give it access of the internet. If you don't give it access to access the internet, it won't function. That's all. Thank you for watching. Let's meet again in the next one.